outside view of our villa. This is how it looks like sa balcony niya. And let's go to our room. So pag pasok pa lang namin sa mga villas nila, meron sila kaagad na mini kitchen dito. They have that all the stuff that you needed for coffee making, and then some kind of snacks, and then itong fridge nila, mini bar, may mga laman siya actually, pero hindi siya free guys. So yun. And then they have this closet, open closet. Then ito na yung bed namin. I think it's queen size siya guys. So this is how it looks like inside. Very very spacious siya guys, super spacious. And then they get 2 pillows in there, lampshades both sides, and then they have this sofa bed, which is, I love the color of the pillows. And our favorite also part is meron silang ganitong extra parang drawer bed, which is if meron kayong kasama pang isang tao, so dito siya for sure matutulog. And then vanity table area, and then the TV. Medyo, in fairness, malaki ang TV nila. And then, yun na yung main entrance ng door. And, yeah, I love that in here. Hello, guys! And, yeah, they have this kind of sliding door going to the balcony, which is our favorite. Let's go out to check our view then. I showed this one now with our other previous vlogs. So this is our favorite part during the day or sa hapon siya. And that's the entrance going to the main door. Tapos dito makikita yung mga ibang villa. May playground sila for kids. Yan na yung view. We're in fronting the beach, and then ang gandang area to guys tuwing hapon kasi makaka-relax ka dito. Tsaka ang ganda-ganda talagang tingnan pag everything is green outside and may mga kahoy, tas maririnig mo yung simoy ng hangin at alon ng dagat. Char! Ganun lang. And they have dry rack over there for your wet clothes. And then, yeah, this is the entrance na papuntang kwarto. This is all, ito na yun siya guys, yung king villa nila. We're now checking out guys. So, we stayed here at Solina Beach and Nature Resort for like 4 nights. Yung masasabi ko lang kasi sa resort na to, very new siya. Parang hindi pa siya nag 1 year, guys. So, talagang madami pa talaga silang dapat i-improve. Especially yung manpower nila sa restaurant nila. Yung system nila kasi nag-failure. Yung door namin, hindi siya gumana for we waited like 30 minutes para ma-open. So, hindi talaga nila mahanap yung key. So, saan sila dumaan? Dito sila dumaan. Sa balcony namin guys, dito sila dumaan. So para lang ma-open namin, and we're in a hurry na kasi mag-check out na kami. So yun lang yung mga nila dito. Tapos if you're a Globe user, wala silang connection dito sa villa nila. Wala silang Globe network on, I don't know if smart maybe, pero wala talaga silang, hirap-hirap kumuha ng signal dito guys. Kahit magstay kami ng balcony, meron siya, pero gawala-wala gihapon siya. Even in a restaurant, we try to stay along in the restaurant, ganun pa rin yung nila, yung Globe network. Also yung wifi nila guys dito, wag na lang kayong ma-expect, or better you bring your own modem, or what they call that, packet wifi, or you register internet wifi, kasi same din, wala silang wifi dito guys. So meron silang mga connection, like nag-appear yung wifi nila, wifi name nila, pero hindi ka nila ma-i-connect kasi only one lang yung ibibigay nila, which is wala naman guys. Wala talaga silang dito, hindi ka talaga makakagamit. So walang IG, walang Facebook update. yun talaga yung struggle dito. Ang resort naman, yung environment na perfect naman for relaxation, for resting naman, maganda naman siya. Yung pool nila, okay then. And also guys, if you are going to stay here at Solina, you better use Roxas Airport, hindi yung international, kasi from Iloilo City International Airport. Babiyahe ka pa ng 3 hours para lang makapunta dito sa resort na to. So, medyo malayo siya at saka expensive siya yung van transfer nila kasi 4,000 guys. Tumataginting na 4,000 one way. So, better if sa Roxas, 1 hour and 40 minutes lang siguro. So, sa international, which is 3 hours siya. Ganon siya kalayo. So, hindi pala namin alam yung mga ganon-ganon dito. So, wala kaming choice. Tour pala nila. Dito namin binook, which is we joined sa other guest, which is we paid 1,650 kasi kapag konti lang kayo, medyo mahal-mahal talaga yung babayaran nyo, like 3,000 to 2,000 plus. So, mas marami, mas makaka-cheap kayo. Meron silang pa-previous dito or what do you call that, kalingawan sa mga guests. We are allowed to use their free bikes for 1 hour. Even every day nyo siyang ihihiramin basta maglalag-in lang kayo for 1 hour. So malilibot nyo yung resort kasi medyo malaki-laki itong Solina guys eh. So yun, maganda siyang mag-bike lalo na sa beach side siya. And then you are also free to use their kayak. Kaya lang hindi kami naggumamit ng kayak kasi during the days na we stayed here, medyo maambon siya, wavy yung dagat, tsaka windy siya kasi may bagyo nga, diba, si Domeng. So, yun. So, overall, ng Solina, guys, maganda siya. We able to relax. Yun nga lang, meron silang madami pang i-improve na mga manpower at tsaka mga facilities nila na needs ng mga guests kasi we are paying enough here, diba? So, again, see you in the next vlog. CDO vlog na tayo kasi babalik na tayo ng CDO. Bye! Thank you for watching! Young, dumb.